Good day everyone. In our last video, we learned about the arc length of a circle. In this video, we will learn about what is a sector of a circle, formulas related to the sector of a circle, along with solving a few examples on the sector of a circle. What is the shape of a sector? The shape of a sector of a circle looks like a pizza slice or a pie. A pizza slice is an example of a sector representing a fraction of the pizza. Here is a circle. A sector is a portion of a circle enclosed between its two radii and the arc adjoining them. The angle formed by the two radii is called a central angle. The region bounded is the sector of a circle. Therefore, a sector of a circle is part of its circle. A circle is divided into two sectors, and the divided parts are known as minor sectors and major sectors. The smaller portion is the minor sector, whereas the large portion of the circle is the major sector. In the case of semicircles, the circle is divided into two equal-sized sectors. Therefore, the semicircle is also a sector with an angle of 180 degrees. Area of a sector of a circle. Recall that the angle of a full circle is 360 degrees, and that the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. Now, we are going to learn the area formula of a sector. What is the area of a sector? The area of a sector of a circle is the amount of space occupied within the boundary of a sector of a circle. Comparing the area of circle and area of sector, the area of a sector is a fraction of the area of the circle. This area is proportional to the central angle. In other words, the bigger the central angle, the larger is the area of the sector. Let's learn about how to calculate the area of a sector. If the radius of the circle and the angle of the sector is given, then the formula used to calculate the area of the sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared. R is the radius of the circle, pi is 3.14 or 22 over 7. Theta is the angle in degree. 360 is the angle of one complete rotation. This is the formula for calculating the area of a sector, theta over 360 times pi r squared. Let's work out a few examples problems about the area of a sector of a circle. Find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 7 cm formed by a central angle of 36 degrees. The formula for calculating the area of a sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Substitute the radius 7 cm and the theta 36 degrees into the formula. 36 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 7 squared. That is 7 times 7. Try to simplify the fraction. 36 divided by 36 get 1. 360 divided by 36 gets 10. 10 divided by 2 get 5. 22 divided by 2 get 11. 7 and 7 are cancelled out. We left 11 times 7 divided by 5. The area of the sector is 15.4 cm squared. The area of a sector with a radius of 14 cm is 77 cm squared. Calculate the angle of the sector. For this question, we are going to find out the angle of the sector by using the formula area of sector theta over 360 times pi r squared. The area 77 cm squared is given, and the radius is 14 cm. Substitute the area and the radius into the formula. 77 equals to theta over 360 times 22 over 7 times 14 times 14. To make the calculation easier, we transpose all the figures from the right hand side to the left hand side. 77 divided by 11 gets 7, and 22 divided by 11 gets 2. 7 divided by 7 gets 1, and 14 divided by 7 gets 2. 7 divided by 7 gets 1, and 14 divided by 7 gets 2. Lastly, 360 divided by 8, we left 45. The theta is 45 degrees. The area of a sector with a central angle of 45 degrees is 19 1/4 centimeters squared. Calculate the radius of the sector. Again, we substitute the information given into the formula. 19 1/4 equals to 45 over 360 times 22 over 7 times r squared. Simplify the mixed number into improper fraction. We get 77 over 4, and simplify the fraction 45 over 360. 45 divided by 45 gets 1, and 360 divided by 45 gets 8. That is 1 over 8. Then, transpose all the figure from the right hand side to the left hand side. We have r squared equals to 77 times 8 times 7 divided by 4 times 22. 77 divided by 11 gets 7. 22 divided by 11 gets 2. 4 times 2 equals to 8. Reduce with the 8 at the numerator. Lastly, we found that r squared equals to 49. Square root of both sides. Square root of 49, the radius is 7 cm. As a conclusion, we have learned what is the sector of a circle. A sector is a portion of a circle that can be defined based on the 4 points. A portion of a circle is covered by 2 radii and an arc. A circle is divided into 2 sectors, minor sector and major sector. The smaller portion is the minor sector and the large portion is the major sector. The circle is divided into 2 equal side sectors, that is 2 semicircles. And we also learned how to find the area of a sector by using formula. Theta over 360 times pi r squared. Here comes the end. Thank you for your participation and see you next time.